Hello students, in this module we are going to study about forming of numbers. Now children, here we are going to learn how to write the smallest number using the given digits. Children, as you all can see on your screen, the digits given is 1, 7 and 2. With these digits you need to write the smallest 3-digit number. Now children, only thing you need to remember is check out whether in the given digit any of the digit is 0. No, none of the digit is 0. So this is the rule. When none of the digit is 0, you simply have to arrange the digits in ascending order for writing the smallest number. So children, here the digits given is 1, 7, 2. So just we need to arrange them in ascending order, and you all know ascending order means small to big. So the smallest 3-digit number using the digits 172 is 127, writing in the ascending order, small to big. Again children, moving on to the next example given is the smallest 4-digit number using the digits. The digits given are 8, 5, 2 and 4. None of the digit is 0 children. So the simple rule is just to arrange the given digits in ascending order. So by arranging the digits in ascending order, we get the smallest 4-digit number, that is 2458. Now children, the next example is, here one of the digit is 0. Now you all can see on your screen the digits given are 1, 2, 0 and 3. Children, the digit given is 0. Now in this case the rule changes. When one of the digit is 0, we arrange the digits in ascending order and put 0 at the second place from the extreme left while forming the number. Children, we can just have a look at the example given over here. The smallest 4-digit number using the digits 1, 2, 0, 3. Children, we need to arrange this in ascending order, but here 0 is given. So what we're going to do? After 0, the smallest number is 1. So we'll write 1. We'll put the 0 at the second place and then the rest of the numbers in ascending order. That is 2 and 3. So the smallest 4-digit number is 10223. Now children, here it is very important to note that 0 at the beginning of a number has no meaning. Here I have asked you to form a smallest 4-digit number. If you will place the 0 at the beginning, for example, if you will put 0, 1, 2, 3, this will not be a 4-digit number. That is the reason if in the digit 0 is given, we never place 0 at the beginning. It is always placed at the second place from the extreme left while forming the number. Now comes the next pattern, that is to write the greatest number. Again the digits are given on your screen. You all can see with the given digits you need to find or you need to write the greatest 4-digit number. The digits given are 1, 5, 8, 7. Now children, for writing the greatest number you need to arrange the given digits in descending order. For smallest number, we need to arrange it in the ascending order. Here, for greatest number, we need to arrange the digits in descending order. Now, from the given digits, you all can arrange the digits in descending order. So, the highest number is 8, then 7, 5 and 1. So, the greatest 4-digit number is children 8751. That is 8751. Again, one more example. The greatest digit number is 5604. Here again you need to find the 4-digit number. Here 0 is given, not a problem. You need to arrange it in the descending order. So the highest number given in the series is 6540. So the number formed is 6540. Now children, a quick recap of smallest number and greatest number. For smallest number children, for the given digits you need to arrange the digits in ascending order. But if any of the digit is given 0, you need to take care that you cannot put the 0 at the beginning. You need to place it at the second place. For greatest number, you need to arrange the given digits in descending order. The only thing you need to remember is For smallest number, arrange in ascending order with keeping 0 in mind, and for greatest number, arrange in descending order. Now here you need to solve few questions. The first one is form the smallest and the greatest number using each of the following digits. You can use the digit only once. The first one is given as 1, 4, 2, 5. Again, for the smallest number, you need to take care that you need to arrange the given digits in ascending order and you will get the number. Again, for greatest, you need to arrange the given digits in descending order. Now children, for the second one, you need to take care because a 0 is given. The digits given are 3, 0, 8. While forming the smallest digit number, you need to take care of the 0 by putting it at the second place. Now the third one is 9, 3, 4, 5. You need to find the smallest and the greatest number. Thank you children.